Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and today we will discuss salient features of modern periodic table. So, this is today's topic, salient features of modern periodic table. It means modern periodic table की कुछ विशेषताएं. So, listen. First thing is typical or representative elements are present in modern periodic table. But what are typical or representative elements? So elements of second and third period of modern periodic table are called as typical or representative elements. It means modern periodic table के second और third period के elements, all these elements are called as typical or representative. Now second thing, now we will discuss bridge elements. So what are bridge elements? So we all know that the elements of third period from first to seventh group are called as bridge element. These element acts as bridge. So listen, you can see here, this is first group, this is second group, and listen, this is first period, this is second period, but listen, this period is third period, this period is third period. So elements of third period from first group to seventh group, from first group to seventh group are called as, these elements are called as bridge element, because these elements acts as bridge for their subgroup. We can see here, this sodium acts as bridge for A and B subgroup. So listen, so sodium is called as bridge element. Similarly, we can see here for magnesium, it also acts as bridge for A and B subgroup. So Na and Mg and next element up to seventh group are called as bridge element. These elements are of third period. Now we will talk about normal elements. So listen, we all know that in modern periodic table each group from first to 7 is divided into two subgroup, capital A and capital B. So listen, the element of A subgroup, all the elements of A subgroup are called as नॉर्मल एलिमेंट्स. इट मीन्स ए सब ग्रुप के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं ये सभी क्या कहलाते हैं? नॉर्मल एलिमेंट्स. वाई दे आर नॉर्मल एलिमेंट? बिकॉज दीज एलिमेंट शोज सेम प्रॉपर्टीज विद दियर ब्रिज एलिमेंट. इट मीन्स ये जो नॉर्मल एलिमेंट्स हैं ये ब्रिज एलिमेंट के साथ सेम प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the property of potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium is similar to the property of sodium. So listen, all these elements are normal element because they show similar properties with bridge element of that group. उस ग्रुप का जो ब्रिज एलिमेंट होगा उसके साथ ये एलिमेंट सेम प्रॉपर्टीज शो करेंगे. Now similarly, these elements are called as normal element for second group because these elements show similar properties with their bridge element. इसका bridge कौन है? bridge element है इसका magnesium. So it shows similar properties with magnesium. Now next term is transition element. So what are transition elements? So the elements of each subgroup B बी सब ग्रुप के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट? बिकॉज these elements shows similar property, these elements shows different property with bridge element, because these elements shows different property with their bridge elements, with their bridge element. It means CuAgAu, all these are coinage metal, and these coinage metal shows different properties with sodium. So we can say that these elements are what? These elements are transition elements. Similarly, Zn, Cd, Hg are also transition element. They show different properties with magnesium. It means their bridge element. Their bridge element is magnesium here. So this is the definition of bridge and normal and transition element. Now we will discuss diagonal relationship. So what is diagonal relationship? So as we all know that the first three elements of second period, we can see here the first three elements of second period, it means we are talking about Li, Be and B. Li, Be and B. The first three elements of second period shows similar properties with their diagonally placed elements of third period. It means जो हमारे सेकेंड ग्रुप के एलिमेंट हैं वो थर्ड ग्रुप में अपने डायगोनली प्लेस्ड एलिमेंट के साथ समान प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं. इट मीन्स वी कैन से व्हाट? वी कैन से Li shows similar properties with Mg, Be shows similar properties with Al, boron shows similar property with silicon. So listen, the relationship between second period element and third period element is called as diagonal relationship. Now we will talk about inner transition elements. So what are inner transition elements? So listen, these elements involve lanthanide and actinides. It means इन एलिमेंट में lanthanide और actinide आते हैं. So we all know that lanthanide element. So elements from 58 cerium to 71 lutetium, जो एलिमेंट हमारे सीरियम जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है 58, so 58 Ce to 71 Lu, all these 14 elements are called as lanthanide elements, and these elements are placed in lanthanide series. Similarly, what are actinide elements? These are also inner transition elements, and these elements exist from 90 thorium to 103 lawrencium. So these 14 elements are called as actinide elements, and these elements are placed in actinide series of actinide series, and this series is placed below separately in the modern periodic table. So you can see modern periodic table. So listen, this is lanthanide series and this is actinide series.